Hello friends, how is everybody doing? Silvio here. Man, I'm smoking some Pese Canoe Latakia 40. It was pretty damn good a few months ago when I got it from Mr. Yanes, but now after a few months in the jar, it's super delicious. Sweet baby Jesus. It's so savory, sweet, a bit sour, a bit salty. It's so good. All tobaccos are much better after some time in the jar, but especially Latakia and especially Gawit blends. And this is very similar to Samuel Gawit type of flake. So it's so good. It's made only with tobacco grown in Turkey. It's very good. If you open the tin and did not like it at first, you should give it another try. Pese Canoe Latakia 40. See you guys.